everyone, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Okay, now we are going to continue to learn about our phonics sound. Okay, this time we have this sound. Do you know what sound is this? Yes, you're right. Ah, ah, ah. Okay, don't forget to do the movement like we want to open the umbrella. Lift it up. Ah, ah, ah. Okay, can we do it together? Okay. Ah, ah, ah. Yes, very good. Okay, now let's try to write the ah, ah, ah together. Okay, where is your pointer? Okay, let's write it together. Ah, ah. Okay, one more time. Just follow the arrow. Okay, ready? Ah, ah. Okay, very good everyone. Alright, now let's try to say the words that start with ah, ah, ah. Yes, do you know any? Good job. Ah, 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 umbrella. What else? Yes, ah, ah, up. And then? Very good. Ah, ah, under. Yes, and then? Good job. Ah, 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 uncle. Anything else? Very good. Ah, 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 umpire. Yay! Good job, everyone. Okay, everybody. Now it's time for riddle. Enjoy your riddle.
It's time for riddle. Hi, friends. It's me, TL. Are you ready to play? This is something. We use it to cover ourselves from the rain. What it could be? Yes, you're right, friends. It's an umbrella. Yay! We did it, friends. Yes. Good job, friends. Good job, friends. Good job, friends. Alright, friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Alright, now it's time for us to spot the ah, ah, ah sound. Okay, and then don't forget, if you can hear the ah, ah, ah sound in the words, you have to say the word and clap your hands. But if there is no ah, ah, ah sound, no need to clap your hands. Okay, got it? Good job. Okay, now let's try with the first word. We have this sun. Sun. Can you hear the ah, ah, ah sound? Yes, very good. So let's clap our hands together. Sun. Good job. Where is the ah, ah, ah sound? Yes, it's in the middle. Very good. Next, I have this. Unhappy. So, can you hear the ah, ah, ah sound? Very good. Let's clap our hands. Unhappy. And where is the ah, ah, ah sound? Good job. It's in the beginning. Very good. Okay, now I have this word. Jar. Yes. Can you hear the ah, ah, ah sound? No. Okay, how about this? Bear. Can you hear the ah, ah, ah sound? No. Good job. And the last one I have uncle. Yes, can you hear the ah, ah, ah sound? Yes, very good. Let's clap our hands. Uncle. And where is the ah, ah, ah sound? Good job. It's in the beginning. Yay! Very good, everybody. Well done. So, let's review. Yes. What sound is this? Very good. Ah, 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 ah. And now let's try to write the ah together one more time, okay? Okay, let's go. Ah. Okay, very good. Alright kids, that's all. See you in the next video and thank you for watching. Bye bye.